Okay, so very good morning. Welcome back again in another session of the mathematics class. कैसे हो सारे लोग? Write down hi in the chat box. Arjun with a smiley with some sticker and rest 6 people. Just write down hi and let me know who is present in this session. And then we will start this wonderful session of the straight line chapter. आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं 10 questions from the straight line chapter. This is me, Aditya Arya, your master teacher on Vedantu, taking care of the mathematics and statistics. And I hope you guys do attend the sessions of the other core commerce subjects taken by Sheetal ma'am, Neha ma'am, and Disha ma'am. So do join the session on the time. You should have the schedule before you join the session. हर दिन के एंड से पहले make sure that you have the schedule of the next day sessions. This session is for 10 must-do questions from the straight line. देखिए, when we say 10 must-do questions, we do not mean that exactly same question will come in the examination. What does we mean? That if you will do these 10 questions, we will try to cover all the concepts that has been used in that will come in the examination. आई बात समझ में? तो अगर आप इन 10 सवालों को लगा लेते हो, वी विल मेक श्योर एंड यू विल मेक श्योर कि आपके सारे की सारे कॉन्सेप्ट कवर हो चुके हैं. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. द कोड इज 48362111. लिख लिया आप लोगों ने? फटाफट से थम्स अप करेंगे. 48362111 इज द कोड. आज का आपका सेशन है स्ट्रेट लाइन का, और स्ट्रेट लाइन की सेशन पर हम लोग डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं, क्वेश्चंस लगाने वाले हैं, एंड वी विल आल्सो टॉक अबाउट द एनरोलमेंट प्रोग्राम. इफ यू वांट टू एसोसिएट विद द वेदांतु, यू कैन through the enrollment program. We will talk about this, how exactly you can have it. So yes, so if you want the content of this session in your mobile phone, in your system, the PC, whatever you are using, you have to join the telegram group. आप telegram group को join करो. ज्वाइन करने के बाद वहां पर आपके पास लिंक्स होंगी, हर एक सेशन की वीडियो लिंक, हर एक सेशन की कंटेंट लिंक, एंड many more things are going over there. So join today itself. The link is in the description box. Okay, so आगे बढ़ते हैं, और आई होप कि आप सबके पास शेड्यूलिंग वाला पार्ट भी होगा कि अगले लेक्चर्स में क्या क्या होने वाला है. यस और नो? सो दिस इज द शेड्यूल ऑफ नेक्स्ट वीक. अभी आपके नेक्स्ट वीक का शेड्यूल है. ओके, so this today is the 20th of the February, 21 Sunday. It's a fun day, and from the 20th we will start again. So schedule, we have the mathematics class every day at 11 a.m. till 12 p.m. 1 घंटे की क्लास होती है मैथ्स की, और it's been I think 3 or 4 months we are continuously having the lecture at 11 a.m. So on 22nd of the February, we are having a lecture on answer writing practice of the chapter relations and functions and inverse trigonometric function. Remember this point, that before we do answer writing practice, we always will make the short notes of the session. That means yesterday on 18th of the February, we have made short notes on the chapter of the relations functions and inverse trigonometric functions. So you can watch the video. You just have to see, if you want to search any topic, okay, what you just have to write down relations and functions, inverse trigonometric functions, what it is, answer writing practice by Aditya Sir. Okay, short notes of the continuity and differentiability by Aditya Sir. This is how you have to search. 10 must do question, or you can just write down Menti quiz of the circle by Aditya Sir. If it has been taken by me, it will be shown on the YouTube. Okay, and then on 23rd we will make the short notes of the on 24th of the February. Write down the date. On 24th of the February, that is Wednesday, we will make the short notes on continuity, differentiability, and application of derivatives. Okay, and on 26th of the February, we will do answer writing practice of the same chapter on which we have made short note. मतलब continuity, differentiability and application of derivative के ऊपर 5 सवाल लगाएंगे. हमारा पर्पस ये होगा कि बोर्ड के अंदर कैसे आंसर को प्रेजेंट करना चाहिए, बिकॉज इट डजंट मैटर If you and me both know the answer, we both know the method, it really matters how we both represent the answer, and on that thing we will have the different marks. On now for 11th, on 23rd of the February, we will do 10 must do questions of the Menti quiz on circle. circle के ऊपर 10 सवाल लगाने वाले हैं 23 फरवरी को. फिर 25 फरवरी को हम लगाने वाले हैं एलिप्स का 10 सवाल, और फिर 27 फरवरी को हम लगाने वाले हैं हाइपरबोला. ओके, तो इन सब के ऊपर हम क्विज करेंगे. तो ये आपके नेक्स्ट वीक का शेड्यूल है. आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं सेशन को. आई होप यू गाइज आर रेडी विद योर कॉपी, पेन, पेपर, एवरीथिंग ऑन योर डेस्क. Okay, so let me share. Let's quiz time. So code is 48362111. Those who do not know how exactly you have to go enter into the quiz, because you will not answer in the chat box. आपको chat box में answer नहीं करना है. You will enter in your browser menti.com. आपके अपने ब्राउजर में लिखना है www.menti.com. There you will be asked a code. आपसे कोड पूछा जाएगा, और कोड क्या है बेटा? Please share the code in the chat section. It's 48362111. 48362111 is the code. ये आपका मेंटी कोड है. ओके, ये आपका मेंटी का कोड होगा. Now you see, I will represent a question on which you will answer. ये आपके सामने question number 1 आएगा. You will have 4 options. You will be having approximately 1 minute. आपके पास 1 मिनट का टाइम होगा. After you will be answer, we will have the scoreboard, and I will show the names who has given the right answer. So this is the benefit of the Menti quiz, that I can show and you can tick mark one of the options directly from your screen. But after this question, we will also do the explanation. I will explain you how exactly this question can be done, and that is going on the YouTube. So मैं आपको बोलूंगा कि you should have the split screen feature, यानी कि आप अपने फोन को 2 भागों में तोड़ दोगे बेटा. नॉट फिजिकली मत तोड़ना, आप अपनी स्क्रीन को स्प्लिट करना है. ओके, स्प्लिट स्क्रीन फीचर आपके फोन में होगा. नहीं पता है तो प्लीज आस्क समबडी फ्रॉम योर गार्जियन. और यू कैन हैव 2 स्क्रीन्स एट योर होम. अगर आपके पास 2 स्क्रीन्स है, 2 मोबाइल फोन है, तो भी आप ये काम कर सकते हो. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे. आई होप यू गाइज आर रेडी. और मुझे जानना था कौन कौन सेशन के अंदर है. लिख दो बेटा हाय, एक बार मालूम तो चले कौन कौन आया है. ओके, ग्रेट. अर्जुन, भावेश, नमस्ते. शुभम, सुषमा, एंड हु इज ओवर हियर? सुभाषिनी, अभ्यंकर, सोनू, श्रेणु, अर्जुन, Abhyankar, Subhashini sir, commerce student is applied mathematics. This is yes, this comes in applied also. Sir, parabola क्यों नहीं है? Parabola है, अगले वीक है parabola. ओके, उसके बाद वाले वीक में. And Himisha, Naveen, means Riya, Sanya, and all of you. So let's start. जोश पूरा हाई रखना. क्वेश्चन ना लगे तो मुस्कुरा देना. देखो, अगर क्वेश्चन टफ आए तो मुस्कुरा देना. और क्या मुस्कुरा कर बोलोगे कि मजा आ गया, सीखने को मिला है. ओके, सीखने को मिल गया, इस बात की खुशी आपको होनी चाहिए. 11 लोग हैं. अच्छा, स्टिकर्स के थ्रू हम लोग देख रहे हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. व्हाट, बहुत सिंपल सवाल है. व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन 2 पॉइंट्स? डू यू नो द फॉर्मूला ऑफ दिस? 3, 5, 6, 1. These are 2 points, 3,5, and another point is 6,1. What is the distance between these 2 points? बड़ा simple सा question है. You will not have so much of the calculation, but continuity not there in applied. आपके 11th में नहीं है. In 11th you do not have the continuity. You are having limits and its derivatives. Okay. So what is the distance between? बहुत ज्यादा टाइम दे दिया आप लोगों को. क्या ये क्वेश्चन डिजर्व करता है 30 सेकंड से ज्यादा? नहीं. 2 पॉइंट्स के बीच का डिस्टेंस होता है अंडर रूट डेल्टा x होल स्क्वायर प्लस डेल्टा y होल स्क्वायर. डेल्टा x is the difference in the x coordinates, डेल्टा y is the difference in the y coordinate. So distance between 2 points is under root of delta x whole square delta y whole square. So all of you has answered. And interestingly, इतने सिंपल क्वेश्चन का भी 12 में से सिर्फ 4 लोगों ने करेक्टली आंसर किया है। तो आप सोचिए, इतना सिंपल सवाल फिर भी 12 में से 4 सही, मतलब कॉन्सेप्ट आना काफी नहीं है। इट्स knowing the concept, knowing the answer is not sufficient. Representing it and getting the right one, not doing the calculation mistake with full on concentration, attempting with full on concentration, all the factors are necessary. पूरा मिश्रण के बाद बेटा फिर अच्छे से खाना पकता है। ऐसा नहीं है कि सब्जी अच्छी लेकर आ गए तो खाना बन जाएगा, नहीं। हर एक चीज का आपके पास बैलेंस होना चाहिए इन योर प्रिपरेशन। So first one is crocodile, then Sanya, then Himisha, and then alien ET. अरे नाम बताओ अपना अपना, कौन है ये crocodile और ET? Okay, so question number 1 was very simple. You can write down the concept from here. That the distance between, बात समझ में आ रही ना? आपकी प्रिपरेशन में आपको बिल्कुल बैलेंस रखना है। Distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points will be under root of delta x whole square plus delta y whole square. What is delta x? Delta x is the difference in the coordinates x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we are having 6, 1 and 3, 5. So आपका आंसर क्या होगा? 6 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 5 whole square is equals to under root 3 square plus 4 square is equals to 9 plus 16 is equals to under root 25 is equals to 5 is the distance. Make sure distance is always positive. कभी गलती से नेगेटिव निकल जाए तो ध्यान रखना वो पॉजिटिव ही होना चाहिए। यस, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। और अगर सेशन में बेटा मजा आ रहा हो या फिर ओके, आपने क्या लिखा है? बिल्कुल ठीक है भावेश। अगर सेशन में मजा आ रहा हो और अगर आपको कंपटीशन बढ़ाना है तो बिना सोचे यार अब तो यार प्यार व्यार दिखाया करो अपना। हिट द लाइक बटन, शेयर बटन बिना कहे आप कर देना, ठीक है? तो दिस रियली मैं बड़ा खुश होता हूं जब मैं नंबर, जैसे कि 17 लोग अभी हैं, तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट यू गाइज आर हैविंग सम इंटरेस्ट इन दिस सेशन। सो लेट्स डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आपके स्क्रीन पर। और जितने लोग अभी तक ज्वाइन नहीं किए हैं कि व्हाट इज हाउ टू अटेंड दिस सेशन, कोड इज 4836211। आपको ज्वाइन कैसे करना है? www.menti.com, कोड इज 4836211। इस तरीके से आप ज्वाइन करोगे। बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सामने हम सारे की सारे, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला 10 सवाल के अंदर सारे कॉन्सेप्ट हम लोग रिवाइज करेंगे। यही तो है स्टॉक सेशन का नाम, 10 मस्ट डू क्वेश्चन। जिसको आपने कर लिया सारे कॉन्सेप्ट आपके क्लियर हो जाएंगे। द स्लोप ऑफ ए लाइन पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट्स 2, -2 and 3, 5। स्लोप ऑफ ए लाइन निकालना है। अब समझेंगे स्लोप के बारे में, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द स्लोप। स्लोप होता क्या है आखिरकार? और मैं आपको बहुत बढ़िया फॉर्मूला दूंगा जो आपने शायद नहीं पढ़ा होगा फॉर श्योर। अच्छा, जो लॉन्ग टर्म बैच से आए हैं उन लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा, जैसे भावेश ने पढ़ा होगा। और कौन है लॉन्ग टर्म बैच से? आई थिंक रिया और सानिया, यू ऑल्सो, श्रेनो, ग्रेट। सो लास्ट 20 seconds 12 people has answered। अंजलि, हाँ आप भी हो, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, मैंने आपको देखा है काफी बार सेशन में। 14 seconds left, 12 लोगों ने आंसर किया है। स्लोप ऑफ ए लाइन पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट 2, -2, 3, 5। 14 लोगों ने आंसर किया है। 15, 2, 1, great, this is really great that 15 of you has answered and 10 of you are correct। कौन कौन किस किस ने पॉइंट्स मिले हैं? So okay, crocodile means nish, हिमिशा, युवती, आकाश, सोनू, सुभाषिनी, टॉम, रिया and Shushma has got the points on this and Nish is the fastest among all. Now question number 2. Now listen carefully because I am going to discuss each and everything about slope. स्लोप के बारे में शायद आपने ये बातें नहीं पढ़ी होंगी, इसलिए ध्यान से पढ़ लेना, लिख लेना। देखिए स्लोप का मतलब होता है tan ऑफ एंगल ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन। tan ऑफ एंगल ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन मींस ये एंगल नहीं होता है, ये tan थीटा होता है। tan of angle of inclination. ठीक है, अब यहां से वी विल राइट डाउन द थ्री काइंड्स ऑफ द वैल्यूज. पहली वैल्यू आप लिखते हो tan थीटा. नाउ वी विल कॉल इट एज tan थीटा if theta is angle of inclination. Now it depends from where you are counting your angle of inclination. Inclination का मतलब होता है बेटा झुकाव. Angle of inclination, angle of the line. Okay, angle of inclination means का मतलब होता है angle of the line. Yes सुभाषिनी, angle of the line in anti-clockwise direction. For example, let's say this is the line. For say this is the line. If we are counting the angle from the anti-clockwise direction, then we will say it is the theta. Fine. Or you can say angle that is on the right side of the line, we call as it theta. Now second thing is, let's suppose we want to count the angle from the left hand side. Let's call it alpha. My answer in that case will be minus times of tan alpha, and we will say it angle of inclination in clockwise direction. See, I'm started counting my angle and moving towards the line, and you will see it's the clockwise direction. Or you can say the angle which is on the left of the line. एक ऐसा angle जो line के left में है. Okay, now those who are attending this session will be in the dual mode. तो थोड़ा हिंदी and sometimes I will speak in the English. Okay, so do not worry if I am speaking in something which is not in your language. It will be in the dual mode. So angle of inclination in the clockwise direction, or you can say the angle which is on the left. एक ऐसा एंगल जो बाएं तरफ हो लाइन के, उसको हम बोलते हैं क्या? उसको हम बोलते हैं clockwise angle. And in that case we will have the answer tan alpha, and you can write down it as delta y upon delta x. These are the things that you have to know in case of the slope. ये आपको slope में मालूम होना चाहिए. Now, question number 2 was this, that we are having the point 2 comma minus 2 and 3 comma 5. Now, we will not use tan theta. For this, we need to have the angle on the right hand side. We will not use minus times of tan alpha because I need the angle on the left hand side. And the third thing that I have is difference in the y coordinates, which is 5 minus of minus 2 divided by difference in the x coordinate. X coordinate के बीच का difference कितना होगा? In the same flow, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, 3 minus 2 is equals to 7 upon 1 is equals to 7. So I hope those who have not, the 5 people who have not given the right answer, उन सब के लिए ये clear हुआ. Yes or no? Subhashini, Arjun, Anjali, Bhavesh, Himisha, Riya, Sanya, Sonu, Abhyankar, and Shrinu, and there are many more people. Great. Next question on your screen. Those who do not know code, it's 4836211. You will use the Mentimeter, menti.com. There you will be asked the code 483621. The question number 3 on your screen. तीसरा सवाल आपके स्क्रीन पर आपके सामने. If A is minus 2 comma 1, B is 2 comma 3 and C is minus 2 comma minus 4. Read your coordinates carefully because many times we commit mistake on reading these coordinates. Minus 2 comma 1, 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma minus 4 are 3 points. Then the angle between BA and BC. Now we will see how exactly we should answer this question. चलिए देखते हैं इस क्वेश्चन के बारे में. बहुत अच्छा सवाल है और this concept is based on the angle between two lines. Those who do not know the formula, I will update you in the last 10 seconds. 10 सेकंड में मैं आपकी मदद करूंगा. Okay, so the formula is 10 plus minus tan inverse of plus minus tan inverse of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. So 11 people has answered for this question and correctly given by none of you. किसी एक का भी आंसर सही नहीं है. Do not worry. And I would say you should be very happy कि आपको मालूम चल गया कि कौन सा आंसर it's really a great moment. जब भी आपसे नई सवाल लगे तो डिमोटिवेट मत होना. You should be very happy that you are going to learn a new concept and that concept is angle between two lines. दो लाइन के बीच का एंगल कैसे निकालें. Angle between two lines. This will be equals to theta is equals to, you can write down it as plus minus tan inverse of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Now what is m1? m1 is the slope of the first line, slope of the line 1 and slope of the line 2 is basically m1 and m2. Now what they are, let's see. Do we have the points? Yes, exactly. The only thing that we are having is a point. So minus 2 comma 1 is one of the point. And then we are having 2 comma 3. Then we are having 2 comma 3. And then we are having minus 2 comma minus 4. Minus 2 comma minus 4. Is that clear now? So what points we are having? Minus 2 comma minus 1. Okay, minus 2 comma 1. Minus 2 comma 1. 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma. Take any 2 points. Let's say when we will connect these 2 points, let's call it A, let's call it B, let's call it C. Sir, is the angle between the lines negative? Let's see, we have to check. We have to check it. Now minus 2 comma 1, 2 comma 3. So let's say this is the slope of the line AB. Okay. Now this will be equals to 3 minus 1 upon 2 minus of minus 2 is equals to 2 by 4 is equals to 1 by 2. Yes or no? Now slope of the second line, let's call it BC, and this is equals to, this is what we have to calculate. आपको क्या निकालना है? BA और BC. तो ये आपका BA हो गया और BC क्या होगा? BC क्या होगा? 3 minus of minus 4 upon 2 minus of minus 2. This is equals to 7 by 4. So we have calculated the slope of these two lines, and now Shivam has asked that the angle between two lines can be negative or not. I would say no. So why we have applied this plus minus sign, we will see it after the solution part. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले हम निकाल लेते हैं tan inverse without mod. Let's say now m1 is 1 by 2 minus and second is 7 by 4. Divide by, we will write down 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 7 by 4. Let's solve this first of all, and this will come out as tan inverse will be equals to 1 by 2 minus 7 by 4. This will come out as, अगर आप इसको solve करते हो तो ये आपके सामने क्या आएगा? minus 3 by 4 divided by, when you will solve this, this will come out as, अगर आप इसको solve करोगे ये आपके सामने आएगा 15, ये आपका multiply है, सही, ये आपका multiply है, ये आपके सामने आएगा 15 by 8. अच्छा, अब इसको आप सॉल्व करोगे तो आपका क्या होगा? ये एंगल ये आपका निकल के आता है tan inverse of minus, and here we will apply this and this cancel, this and this cancel, and ultimately आपके सामने आंसर क्या आएगा? 2 by 3. चेक करो, देखो यहां से आपका आया 1 by 5 और यहां से आपका आएगा ये 2 by 5. ये आपका यस बिल्कुल बेटा. तो यहां पर आपने थोड़ा सा करेक्शन करना है. ओके, लेट मी चेक. एग्जैक्टली इट विल बी minus 2 by 5 and then we will apply minus sign if it is negative and we will apply plus sign if it is positive. तो आपको ये लगाना चाहो आप ये लगा सकते हो, अदरवाइज यू कैन जस्ट टेक द मॉडुलस भी काम करेगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर एक छोटा सा करेक्शन है आपकी क्विज के अंदर कि हमने जो पॉइंट लिए थे 3 minus 1, ये आपका 2 by बनता है 1 by 2, ये आपका बनता है 7 by 4. यहाँ से आपने जो वैल्यू निकालेंगे उसका आंसर आएगा 2 by 5 tan inverse. So we will make the correction. Answer is option number D. With some correction it will be 2 by 5. Okay. Now देखिए Arjun, I would say that after every question we will explain each and every question, so please have some patience because not all of you will be able to do each and every question. Yes, अगला क्वेश्चन लगाते हैं on your screen. On a screen, but before that let's have the result. क्या है आपका ये? Okay, nobody has answered, so question number, next question on your screen, question number 4. Let's see if we can answer it or not. The value of the x for which the line passing through 3, 4 and x, 5 and makes the angle okay 135 degree angle with the positive direction of x-axis. Numerator में 1/2 and -7 minus, okay, this will be, हाँ तो नहीं बेटा, ये क्या आप लिखोगे? Yes, yes, exactly. Yes, Sanya. Thank you so much. This is my calculation mistake. I will update. You are right. We are having the right answer. ठीक है, सही बोला आपने. मैं लास्ट क्वेश्चन में करेक्शन कर देता हूँ. ठीक है. The value of x for which the line passing through 3/4 and x, 5 and makes 135 degree angle with the positive direction of the x-axis. तो यहां पर क्या कितना एंगल बना रहा है? 135 डिग्री एंगल विद द पॉजिटिव, मींस एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. लास्ट, ओके, सो टाइम इज अप. 11 पीपल हैव आंसर्ड एंड ओनली 6 पीपल आर करेक्ट. ओके, आंसर विल बी 2. अच्छा, लास्ट क्वेश्चन में छोटा सा करेक्शन होगा कि यहां पर बेटा हमने क्या लिखा था? -5, 3/4 ना, यहां पर आप -5/4 लिखोगे. ठीक है, यहां पर हमने गलती की थी और आपका आंसर बिल्कुल सेम आएगा. ये आपका हो जाएगा 2 माइनस टाइम्स ऑफ 2. ये आपका आंसर आ जाएगा 10 इनवर्स 2/3. सो इट्स अ करेक्शन इन द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. आंसर इज करेक्ट, ऑप्शन नंबर डी. थैंक यू सो मच सान्या. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के अंदर हम बात करेंगे. नाउ व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4? Question number 4 is what is the value of x for which the line passing through 3, 4 and x, 5. 3, 4 and x, 5. The line passing through these points makes an angle 135 degree with positive direction of the x-axis, means anti-clockwise direction के अंदर. अच्छा, एक सिंपल सी बात, अगर ये 135 डिग्री है, व्हाट विल बी दिस एंगल? ये आपका होगा 180 minus 135 is equals to 45 degree. And what we have said, if you will count your angle on the left side, I will write down minus times of 10. The left side angle is 45 degree, which is equals to obviously 10, 135 degree. They both are exactly same. It doesn't matter. Now minus 10 45 degree का मतलब है minus times of 10 45 degree is 1 and this is the slope of the line. Now slope of the line will remain constant throughout, and if it will remain constant throughout, then whether you will calculate by using the angle or by using the other definition which says the delta y 5 minus 4 divided by x minus 3. Okay, now when you will solve this, it will come out as 1 upon x minus 3. So minus 1 is equal to 1 upon x minus 3. When you will cross multiply, you will have x minus 3 is equals to minus 1. And when you will solve it further, x will be equals to 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Okay, ये आपका आएगा x is equals to 2 आपका आंसर हो जाएगा. Okay, I hope this question is very clear to all of you guys. Is that clear? Sir, BA is equal to coordinate of A minus coordinate of B. There is no such rule. You can that matters in the vector algebra, Shivam. It doesn't matter if we are saying AB or BA. We can use any coordinate in any order. मतलब आप A minus B कर लो या B minus A कर लो, you will going to have the same answer. I hope this is clear. So your doubt was from the question number 3. Okay. And now in this question, Nish, Riya, Sushma, Arjun and Abhyankar. Clear guys? So very good question answer asked by Shivam that कि सर अगर मेरे से पूछा गया है BA तो मैं coordinate of A minus coordinate of B करूं या coordinate of B minus coordinate of A करूं. It doesn't matter. Okay. Now Next, question number 5 on your screen. Make sure that all of you will correctly answer. देखते हैं कितने लोग इस क्वेश्चन को तोड़ पाएंगे. Find the equation of a line passing through 2 comma minus 3 and inclined at an angle of tan inverse 3. It's tan inverse 3 with the positive direction of the x-axis. Means if this is the line, we are making it from the on the right hand side. Right hand side में आपका ये एंगल है, तो हमें एंगल नहीं चाहिए, हमें स्लोप चाहिए. और स्लोप क्या होता है? tan थीटा. आपको क्या दिया हुआ है? राइट साइड एंगल दिया हुआ है, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू tan इनवर्स 3. व्हाट विल हैपन व्हेन यू विल टेक tan ऑफ इट? अच्छा, आपको एंगल भी दिया हुआ है एंड यू हैव बीन गिवन अ पॉइंट. अब यहां पर सीखेंगे हाउ टू डिराइव द इक्वेशन ऑफ ए लाइन. What is the concept behind to derive the equation of a line? बहुत अच्छा सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट है, देखते हैं. Last 3, 2, 1, time is up. Great. So among all, just 4 people has answered. We will see later who has answered correctly. Question number 5 is based on equation of a line. Always remember, to form the equation of a line, we need few basic things, a basic concept. First thing is, we will always use a variable point. ये point हम हमेशा use करने वाले हैं. Okay. Second thing is that we are going to use slope remains constant. Slope remains same throughout the line. Slope remains same throughout the line. And to find out the equation of a line, what we are going to do, आपको सिर्फ इस बात का ध्यान रखना है, m1 is equals to m2. This point, slope remains same. Now, either the slope will be given to you, or you will calculate it, and another slope you will calculate by using the variable point. Now, in this question, it is given that we are making an angle of tan inverse. We are making an angle of tan inverse 3 from the positive x-axis. Means यहाँ से, means we are calculating the angle from the right hand side. So we can say this is theta and tan theta is the slope, which is equals to 3. Yes or no? So we have one of the value of the slope, so I will write down over here. You just to find out the equation of a line, what you just have to do, you just have to remember one simple concept. The slope remains constant throughout the line. One of the slope is given to you and you will equate by using the variable point. And if you will use a point, we must have, we should have another point. We must have at least one point. Is it given in the question? क्या question में दिया हुआ है? Yes. क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है द लाइन पासिंग थ्रू 2 comma minus 3. So y delta y minus of minus 3 upon x minus 2, which will be equals to y plus 3 upon x minus 2. Now cross multiply. If you will cross multiply, you will have 3 equals to y plus 3 upon x minus 2. Cross multiply, 3x minus 6 is equals to y plus 3. आप चाहो तो इसको यहां पर लेकर आओ. व्हाट इज द इनवर्स ऑफ द tan? अच्छा देखो, इनवर्स ऑफ द tan इज बेसिकली एंगल. ठीक है, ये आपको दिया हुआ है. किसने पूछा? सान्या. अब सान्या हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों तरफ tan ले लो. दोनों तरफ tan लूंगा तो क्या बनेगा? tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू tan ऑफ tan इनवर्स. इनवर्स ऑफ एन एंगल, ये आपका 12th का टॉपिक है वैसे. तो इनवर्स, अब देखो ये और ये कट जाएगा, नहीं कटेगा, तो आपके सामने क्या आएगा? 3. अभी के लिए इतना मान लीजिए. ठीक है, आई होप सानिया आपका डाउट क्लियर हो गया. ओके, अब यहां से हम लोगों को इक्वेशन मिल चुकी है. व्हाट इज द आंसर? आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, y. अच्छा, अब इसको क्या करूंगा? आई विल टेक दिस ओवर हियर, आई विल ब्रिंग दिस ओवर हियर. आई विल हैव y minus 3x plus 9 is equals to 0. Option number A will be your answer. I hope the whole question is very clear to all the people over here. Subhashini, I am the faculty of the mathematics, so your I do not know who will take it, but I think Neha ma'am or Sheetal ma'am will take care of it, or Disha ma'am. So now Nish is at the, who is Nish in the chat section? May I know? Because Nish is maintaining the position at the top, Riya second, Avyankar third, Sonu fourth, Himisha fifth, Sanya sixth, Yuvati seventh, Sushma, Akash and Arjun. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ. लेट्स सी वी कैन डू इट और नॉट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 ऑन योर स्क्रीन. तो देखते हैं हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू विल डिकोड दिस क्वेश्चन इक्वेशन. नाउ अगेन द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन द होल चैप्टर इज कैन यू फिगर इट आउट व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन. इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन क्या होगी, करिए आप लोग. So 4 people has answered. Equation of a line passing through. Okay, Nishta Chaudhary, great. Sir, taxation isn't maths. I think you are talking about the applied part. Even if this isn't applied, the topic will be taught by other faculties. But for sure, the equation of a line, and I will update you, Subhashini. Equation of a line passing through 2 points. What do I say? That what we need is just you just need a one single concept to calculate the equation of a line, that slope will remain constant throughout. So m1 is equals to m2. You will calculate the value of slope from the given condition. Can you calculate? Yes. And calculate the other, you will calculate the slope by using the variable. So 13 people has answered, and for this question 4 people are correct. And who they are? So who they are? So Nishta again, and Sanya, Himisha and Subhashini has got the right answer. Now let's learn this part, because calculating the equation is going to be very important. So question number 6, as I have said, what do we need? हमें क्या चाहिए? One single concept that the slope will remain constant throughout the line. So we are having 2 points, -1, 3 and 4, -2. We are saying m1 is equals to m2, and always remember, whether it is given or not, we will assume a point from our side which is going to be variable, which will generate the equation. This point will generate the equation. Okay, now m1 is equals to m2. That means we have to calculate the exact value of the slope from the given condition. Can we calculate the exact value of the slope? Yes, by using these 2 points. So y1 minus y2 or y2 minus y1 doesn't matter. 3 minus of the -2, y2 minus y1 upon -1 in the same order. 3 minus this, so -1 minus 4 is equals to, now you will take care of this, y -3. You can take any 2 points, you can take any point apart from this. So I am using this, and any one point you are going to have the same answer. आपका आंसर सेम आने वाला है. Y -3 upon x minus of -1. This will be equals to 3 minus of -2 is 5 upon -1 minus 4 is -5 is equals to y -3 upon x plus 1. 5 minus this is equals to -1. So when you will cross multiply, you will have minus x minus 1 is equals to y -3. So you will bring it over here, and you will bring each and everything over there. You will have x plus y -3 plus 1 is equals to 0. X plus y minus 2. X plus y minus 2 equal to 0, or x plus y equal to 2. They both are same. I hope it's very clear to all the people. Is it clear or not clear? सीखने को मिल रहा है बेटा, नहीं मिल रहा है? राइट डाउन द कॉन्सेप्ट. सीखने को नहीं मिल रहा है तो ये आपके काम का सेशन नहीं है. सीखने को मिलना चाहिए. You will note down each and everything, and I request all of you again, if this session is going very good to all of you people, बहुत मजा आ रहा है, सीखने को मिल रहा है, तो अपना प्यार मोहब्बत दिखाते रहना, और बाय हिटिंग द लाइक बटन. ओके, और कंपटीशन बढ़ाने के लिए शेयर कर देना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 is on your screen. Let's see who will break this question, decode this question. Question number 7, the equation of a straight line whose intercepts on x-axis and y. Now this is a different form. Now when we say we have a different form in a line, that does not mean the concept will change. The basic concept will remain same, that to calculate the equation of a line, what we just need is the basic concept. The slope will remain constant throughout. But here we have one new term, intercept. Intercept is basically the coordinate on the axis. If we are saying x intercept or intercept on x-axis, means x coordinate. on x-axis, y coordinate on y-axis. That's what we are talking about. So last 20 seconds, and how we have got these intercept coordinates. When a line will cut the axis, you will have the intercept coordinate. Now last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 11 people have answered out of 17. 17 में से 11 लोग. ऐसा क्यों बेटा? बाकी के लोग क्यों नहीं सॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं? सोचना एक बार. अब क्वेश्चन आपके सामने है. क्वेश्चन क्या है? लेट्स रीड इट. The equation of a straight line whose intercept on x-axis. Always remember, intercept, basic meaning of the intercept is portion or the part. ठीक है, dictionary meaning is portion or the part. Now this portion is created by when a line cuts x because we are looking these intercept on x-axis and y-axis. हम ये जो इंटरसेप्ट देख रहे हैं, ये कहां देखना चाहते हैं हम लोग? ऑन एक्स एक्सिस, ऑन वाई एक्सिस. मैथमेटिकली वी विल से व्हेन वी विल टॉक अबाउट इंटरसेप्ट ऑन एक्स एक्सिस, इंटरसेप्ट ऑन वाई एक्सिस, बेसिकली वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑन द एक्सिस. जनरली, नॉट ऑलवेज, कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑन द एक्सिस. ठीक है, ये इसका मतलब है. अब क्या लिखा हुआ है चेक करो. Intercept on x-axis and y-axis are respectively twice and thrice. Intercept on x-axis, let's call it 0, b. Let's call it a, 0. Now, when we will say x-intercept, we are saying x-intercept is equals to a. We will say y-intercept is equals to b, and we are saying that x-intercept of this line is twice. किसका twice है चेक करेंगे. Twice of something, and y-intercept is thrice of something. आइए चेक करते हैं. Let's see. Twice and thrice of what? Twice and thrice of those by the line 3x plus 4y equals to 12. Okay. 3x, yes. 3x plus 4y is equals to 12. 3x plus 4y is equals to 12. Now always remember that x upon a plus y upon v, y upon b is equals to 1 is a intercept form of the line. You will write down in your notebook, intercept form of line. ये लाइन का इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म है, where we will say that a is the x intercept, b is the y intercept. So I will convert this equation of the line in this format by making right hand side equals to 1. And how I will get this? By dividing by 12. So 3x by 12 is x by 4. 4x by 12 is y upon 3. Divide by 3 all the sides. And 12 by 12 is 1. मिल गया बेटा, जो हमें चाहिए था वो मिल गया. So we can say x intercept for this line is 4 and y intercept for this line is equals to 3. And what has been said, that intercept of the line which we want to calculate is twice of the x intercept of the line which we have just solved. This is the x intercept of 3x plus 4y equals to 12. Y intercept of the line is 3. Check कर लीजिए. X intercept 4, y intercept is 3. So we can say x intercept of the new line is 8. Y intercept of the new line is 9, and we can say answer or the equation of this line is equals to x by 8 plus y upon 9 is equals to 1. You can answer in this form. Now it depends in what format question has been asked. So question has been asked in this format. So what we will do, cross multiply the numbers. When you will cross multiply the numbers, you will have 9x plus 8y equals to 72. देखो क्या करना है, you will cross multiply, take LCM. 9x plus 8y is equals to 72. Just multiply by 72 both the sides or take LCM of 8 and 9. I hope this is clear. Yashu, Vashu और जो भी आपका नाम है बेटा, I hope I have taken your name clearly, Vashu. Answer is option number B. And now next question on your screen. आपका अगला सवाल आपकी स्क्रीन पर. Let's see if we will answer it correctly. Nish, Himisha and Riya has given the answer correctly. अगर मैं टॉप 4 में लिखूं तो निष्ठा, हिमिशा, रिया और सान्या. तो टॉप 4 में बेटा लड़कियां हैं, मतलब लड़कियां पढ़ाई कर रही हैं, लड़के एकदम आवारागर्दी में घूम रहे हैं. बेटा पढ़ाई करना शुरू कर दो, एग्जाम आने वाले हैं. पढ़ना शुरू कर दीजिए आप लोग एंड लर्न ऑल द कॉन्सेप्ट, मेक नोट्स फ्रॉम द लेक्चर, व्हाट इज नॉट, व्हाट यू डू नॉट नो, मेक अ शॉर्ट नोट्स ऑफ इट. नाउ 8 क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. 11 लोग इस सेशन के अंदर हैं. लेट्स सी those who has not joined this session till now. You can join by using menti.com and the code is 483621. So I'm saying girls rock. So as of now in this session, yes, girls are rocking over here. So equation of the line with the slope -1 and cutting off an intercept of 4 units. Now cutting off intercept of the 4 units means we have been given a coordinate or negative direction of the y-axis. It's given that we have been given a y coordinate in the negative direction and it is 4. So obviously in the negative direction it will be, ये आपको सोचना है. Equation of the slope is also given. Point is also given in a different format. Let's see if we can do it or not. या फिर इसको हम डायरेक्टली भी निकालेंगे. We will solve this question by 2 methods. Let's see if we can answer or not. So correctly given by, this is brilliant, this is really brilliant guys. सिर्फ एक इंसान ने, 18 लोगों में से सिर्फ एक इंसान ने इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर सही किया है. एंड करेक्टली गिवन बाय जस्ट रिया. रिया ने इसका आंसर सही दिया. सो इट बिकम्स राइट नाउ. So what has been given? The slope of the line. Read the question properly. Sorry. Equation of a line with the slope -1. Equation of a line with the slope -1. Slope of the line is given. And we are saying cutting off an intercept of 4 units on the negative direction of, what does it wants to say? When the slope is negative, it is having inclination towards the negative x-axis. ये इसकी तरफ थोड़ा झुका हुआ होगा. And cutting off the intercept of 4 units. जैसा मैंने आपको बोला था, intercept is the portion and we are saying we have made a portion of 4 units in the negative direction of the y-axis and this is the 4 units. Now अगर आपने फॉर्म पढ़ा है y equals to mx plus c, we can directly say that c is equals to -4 and I can directly write down the answer y is equals to -x -4 and I can say x plus y is equals to -4. This is what I can say. Okay? अच्छा, यहां पर हम ये चीज बोल सकते हैं. अच्छा, अगली चीज यहां पर देखिए, अब अगर आपको ये बोला गया है तो एक और आपको पॉइंट समझना पड़ेगा. आई थिंक आंसर इज रॉन्ग, वी विल सी. दिस पॉइंट इज 0, -4. ये पॉइंट कौन सा आपका? 0, -4. 0, -4 इज द आंसर. अगर ऐसा है तो इसका मतलब m1 is equals to m2. If m1 is equals to m2, then we will say the slope is given as -1 and we will assume a point on the line. Let's call it x, y. Then y minus of -4 is y plus 4 upon x minus 0 is x. When we will cross multiply, we will have -x is equals to y plus 4. Again we will say we are having the same answer from here, that x plus y minus 4, or if you want to write it in this form, x plus y plus 4 is equals to 0. So your answer will be option number B. आपका जो बेटा आंसर है वो ऑप्शन नंबर B है. y m1 equal to m2, m1 equal to m2. बेटा सान्या आपको एक बात बोली थी, throughout the line. What is a line? Line is a kind of curve you can write down where slope will remain same everywhere. Slope will remain same. आपका जो एंगल रहता है, this is theta, this is theta, this is theta. हर एक पॉइंट पर you will write down slope on a line. You will write down slope on a line will remain same or constant. ओके, या आप पॉइंट लिख लीजिएगा और बाकी लोग भी लिखेंगे. इसका मतलब है आई कैन से फॉर any two, if I will calculate the slope between 2 points, it will remain same. M1 equals to M2 equals to M3 if we are calculating the slope on the line. Is that clear, Sanya? And your correction will be done. Answer is option number B, and the rest, those who have answered, किसने आंसर किया था ऑप्शन नंबर बी? फटाफट से write down in the chat box. Honestly, झूठ मत बोलना. Yes, Subhashini, yes, B is the right answer. So who has given right answer? Let us know. किसने बी आंसर किया था? ग्रेट. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ, एंड let's see who will have the right answer. Question number 9. Subhashini, Arjun, Sushma, 3 people has given the right one. Now question number 9. Equation of a line which is at a distance of 3 from the origin and the perpendicular from the origin to the line makes an angle 30 degree. This is normal form of the line. Makes an angle 30 degree with the positive direction of the x-axis. देखते हैं क्या आप इस क्वेश्चन को कर पाओगे या नहीं कर पाओगे. Last 30 seconds. 5 people has given the right answer till now. बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. इट्स डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूला बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. आपको बस फॉर्मूला पता होना चाहिए. तो अगर नहीं भी पता होता, आई विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. But if you know the formula, you will not waste your time. 8 people has given the right answer. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. Now let's see. 8 people has given the answer for this question and is given by just 2. देखिए क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा हुआ है. There is a line. I do not know what line it is, but the line is having a perpendicular distance. This line is having a perpendicular. When we draw a perpendicular to the line, this distance is equals to 3, and this perpendicular is making an angle of 30 degree with the line, जिसको हमने बोल दिया ओमेगा. अगर आपको याद हो तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं याद है, you will write down normal form of the line. Normal form of the line, where we will say it will be represented as x cos omega plus y sin omega is equals to p, where p is a perpendicular distance from the origin to the line. What is p? P is the perpendicular distance of the line from origin. origin से लाइन का perpendicular from origin से लाइन का perpendicular distance क्या होगा. Second thing is, what is omega? Omega is the angle of inclination. Angle of inclination of perpendicular with positive x-axis, or you will say in the anti-clockwise direction, जो भी आपको बोलना चाहते हो. So here I will write down x cos 30 degree plus y sin 30 degree is equals to p. P is equals to 3. X cos 30 degree is, we will say 30 degree is root 3 by 2, plus y sin 30 degree is y upon 2 is equals to 3. And from here we will have x root 3x plus y is equals to 6. And from here you will say the answer is option number A. I hope this is clear to all of you. Okay, actually we don't have trigonometry for commerce. Now Subhashini, let me clarify on this. Commerce people are having two kind of options: applied mathematics or the pure mathematics. In the case you have chosen the applied mathematics, you will not go for the trigonometry. But now, as I say, the syllabus of the CBSE has designed in such a way, CBSE will say that we are removing this topic, but ultimately this will be included in other topic. This is the example. Straight line is included in the applied, but as you are saying, trigonometry is not included in the trigonometry is not included in the applied, लेकिन यहाँ पर आएगा. And not just in this chapter. When you will read calculus in your 11th and 12th, you will face trigonometry your 50%, I would say more than 50-60% of the syllabus of the calculus is having your trigonometry. Okay, now let's do the next question. The final question of the day, आज का आपका आखिरी सवाल. देखते हैं कितने लोग इस क्वेश्चन को सही कर पाएंगे. सोनू एंड सुभाषिनी हैज गिवन द राइट आंसर. ओके, आपके स्कूल में नहीं है तो यू हैव चोजन अप्लाइड नाउ. Okay, so let's see who will give the correct answer for question number 10. Question number 10, answer will be given by, कौन इसका सही आंसर देगा? Distance between the line and the point. Now what is the distance between line and a point? What it will be? Let's see who will give the right answer for this question. बहुत simple सा concept है. 4x plus 3y is equal to 12 is the line, and how to calculate the distance between the line and a point, we will see in the next 30 seconds. 4 people are left. 4 people has given the answer. कैसे निकालना है बेटा? करिए. So last 25 seconds, 20 seconds, 20. Option number A is 2, option number B is 3, option number C is 4, option number D is equals to 5. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Great. So out of all 11 people, only 7 has answered for this and only 2 are correct. We will see who has given the right answer. Now first of all, if the question is 4x plus 3y is equals to 12 and the point is 8, 0, we wanted to calculate the distance of this point, this point from this line. So what we will do, first of all, I will convert this line in the format of 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equals to 0. Fine. And over here I will say distance will be equals to modulus of. Now I will put the point in this line. 4 into 8 plus 3 into 0 minus 12 divide by, I will take under root of coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square. This will be your answer. Now 8 into 4, 32 plus 0, 32 plus 0 minus 12 by 5 is equals to 20 by 5 is equals to 4. This is your answer. Your answer is option number 4, which is option number C. C is your right answer. Fine. And now we will just in the next 5 minutes we will check what Vedantu is having for you people. आप लोगों के लिए एक enrollment program we have designed. In this enrollment program we will see what exactly you are going to have. आपको क्या क्या मिलेगा ये हम चेक कर लेते हैं. When you will enroll, basically what you are going to have, first thing is you will have the structured content. सबसे important चीज होती है अभी structured content. Structured content का मतलब है do some case study question. Yes. बेटा मैथ्स में सुभाषिनी आप व्हाट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इज नॉट इन द मैथमेटिक्स. मैथ्स में केस स्टडी वाले क्वेश्चन नहीं होते हैं. ओके, व्हाट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इज फ्रॉम द अदर चैप्टर. इकोनॉमिक्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हो. स्ट्रक्चर्ड कंटेंट की बात करते हैं अभी. स्ट्रक्चर्ड कंटेंट का मतलब होता है दैट हाउ मच टाइम यू हैव टू डिवोट टू ए पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक, what you should study, what you should skip, and on what you should have a focus, how many questions you have to do, how many questions you have to do on a topic. Each and everything comes under structured content, and that will be provided by Vedantu on the Vedantu platform. Now this content will be provided in different form. First thing is in class notes. So you will be having classes of 1.5 hour daily for a particular subject, and you will have the notes of that subject whatever we are reading in the class. क्लासरूम में हम जो भी पढ़ते हैं उसके क्लास नोट्स हम बनाएंगे. ठीक है, मतलब आपको प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस यू विल हैव द समरी एंड द शॉर्ट नोट्स ऑफ द सेशन. जो भी हम समरी करते हैं, जो भी आप पढ़ाई करोगे उसके समरी नोट्स, शॉर्ट नोट्स विल बी गिवन टू यू इन द सेशन. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस यू विल हैव द क्विजेस इन द सेशन. आपको क्विज मिलेगी. Apart from this, you will have assignments, and apart from this, you will have the weekly test. So in the structured content, we will say you will have the study material and you will have the practice material, because second thing that really matters in your preparation is how much and how good you will practice. And when you will practice, you will come across the doubts, and we do take care of the doubts. Now, these doubts can be taken care in the three formats. That means you can ask your doubts on the VK or on the Telegram, and the very important factor over here is dual mode. That is, you can ask your doubt in the classroom, and the classrooms are in the dual mode. Means you will be having the master teacher, you will be having the class teacher. Your class teacher will teach you, and your master teacher will teach you, and your class teacher will give you one-on-one experience. Means you can ask your doubt directly to a faculty, एक ऐसी फैकल्टी जिसको कोई नहीं दिख पा रहा है, और आप उनसे आप अपना सवाल पूछ सकते हो. There is no one between you and your class teacher. Now every student is allotted a class teacher which can be same or different according to the number of people and the amount of question has been asked by you. So we will make sure that you will not leave your classroom without solving your doubts. You can ask hundreds of the doubts, it doesn't matter. Am I clear? Now apart from this, we are having so many tools that is going to help you in your learning, and most important thing is what we generally seek in the online classroom is the feel of the offline. But the offline classroom and online classroom is having some pro and cons. So online classroom will give you the facility to learn anywhere at any point of time, it doesn't matter, and you can have the content at your in your system. And when we say offline, that means we can interact in the same manner as we would have done in the offline classroom, and this interaction can be done in the following manner. Now offline means we can hear you and we can see you people with your permission. अगर आप चाहते हो, you want to show your notebook, I can unmute you. If you want you want to say something in front of everyone, you want to explain your doubts, you want to explain your question, we can unmute you. Okay, so this is a very good feature that you will have on the Vedantu platform. Apart from this, we know the choice of you people. Like if you all are feeling confident in a particular topic, if the point is clear or not clear, we will have the poll engagement. For example, the 90% people are saying the topic is very clear, and the 10% people are saying the topic is not clear. So this is a poll section. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We will go with the majority, but we will take care of these 10 people in the same CT section, class teacher section. But if let's suppose we are saying 90% people saying the topic is not understood, 10 people saying the topic understood, we will do this topic again with the majority pass. Okay, so you will have many more such features which will give you the feel of the offline classrooms. Now you can enroll, and definitely you will have the revision, you will have the crash course, micro course. You can enroll for this at any point of time, but the link is in the description box. You can note down the link. And apart from this, you will need a code. आपको एक कोड की जरूरत पड़ेगी, which is ADAPRO. Okay, you will use this code to have the enrollment, and by using this code you will have that 20% off. So I hope I am very clear to all of you. Okay, चलिए, तो हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, we were solving the Menti quiz, and let's see who is the clear winner of the session. So I would say Nishta Chaudhary, congratulations, she has topped this Mentimeter quiz. So really appreciate your preparation, but I would say there is always a room for improvement for all of you. तो अगली बार हम टारगेट करेंगे कि अगली बार का स्कोर 5000 नहीं, your score should be 6000, 7000, 8000 and 9000 or 10000. Make sure it. So this is all guys. Before we leave, you can take again the screenshot of the session. Monday start from the 22nd. So this schedule is for the next week, that is going to be start from the 22nd of the February. We have a class of the mathematics at 11 a.m. and if you have the doubt Subhashini, tomorrow is a holiday. On Monday, we are going to start dance. This is the schedule part. Okay, take care of it. Now, before you leave the session, take screenshot of these slides. If you need any kind of help over here, if you want enrollment, you can have. Link is in the description box. Code is on your screen. Before you leave the session, do not forget to hit the like button, share button, subscribe button, show your love. And I really appreciate your hard work for being over here, for your learning. If you want to give any of the feedback, most welcome in the chat section. चैट सेक्शन में आप रिप्लाई कर सकते हो. आज के लिए इतना ही, फिर मिलेंगे. टिल देन टेक केयर, गुड बाय, सी यू ऑल, लव यू ऑल.